for the specific Acrosoft single-piece IOL to be implanted, the surgeon should fill the cartridge with an Alcon qualified viscoelastic, such as Viscoat, prior to loading the Acrosoft IOL. Before removing the Acrosoft lens from the case, a drop of irrigating solution or viscoelastic may be placed on the lens without touching the lens surface. Also, a drop of viscoelastic may be placed on the flat surface of the lens case itself to help make it easier to secure the lens prior to insertion into the cartridge. The Acrosoft single-piece lens can be grasped at the haptic-optic junction to prepare for insertion into the Monarch cartridge. When using standard forceps to load the lens into the cartridge, grasp the lens by the optic edge and gently place the lens anterior side up into the back of the cartridge. The lens should be inserted until the optic is slightly more than halfway inside the cartridge. Use the forceps to gently push down on the lens, verifying that the lens is on the bottom surface of the cartridge. Once the lens has been well seated, using the forceps, take the trailing haptic and gently fold the haptic onto the anterior side of the optic. Then slowly push the optic edge to position the lens as far into the cartridge as the forceps will permit, while ensuring the lens remains on the bottom surface of the cartridge and the trailing haptic remains on the optic. Once the lens is well positioned into the cartridge should be inserted into the handpiece of the Monarch IOL delivery system. The cartridge should be advanced into the handpiece slot until a click is heard to confirm that the cartridge is properly engaged with the Monarch handpiece. Holding the knob of the plunger, slowly push the plunger forward until the threads make contact with the handpiece barrel. Once contact is made, turn the knob clockwise to engage the threads. The Monarch IOL delivery system is now ready for lens implantation. The surgeon should then position the nozzle of the cartridge through the incision. Once in the desired location, the surgeon should then continue to rotate the knob clockwise until the IOL is delivered into the desired position within the eye.